Hey guys, VirginAustralia Fan here with a video of my Boeing 747-8i. We'll just have a look at the box. So here we have Boeing 747-8i. I standing for Intercontinental. Here we have it in the Boeing Sunrise livery. The registration of this aircraft is N6-067E. It's 1/400 scale Platinum Series. So it's made by Phoenix. So it's very nice box. The aircraft looks quite nice. Let's turn the box around. So here at the back, it's limited edition and just Sunrise livery with the 747-8 decal, officially licensed by Boeing, of course. I'll just open this aircraft up. So here we have it. So we'll just go for a close-up. So here we have the cockpit. Very nice. Here we have down the bottom that says 747-8. We have the Boeing title. We have a first little antenna. We have the two, I'm pretty sure they're GE engines. Very nice. And just have a look at the wingspan of the wings of this. They do curve up, so that's quite good. So as you can see here, the wings curve up. It's nice, very nicely detailed. So we just run along. It's just not really that interesting. Just have the windows. Then we have another antenna right there, and then we have the very nice looking tail with the 747-8 decal. Down there we do have, it says, as I said at the start, I stands for Intercontinental. That's what it says there, and there's the registration right there. And we'll turn this around. It's pretty much on the same on the other side. Boeing, the GE engines, the wing, Intercontinental, the registration 747-8, and yep. So we just turn it around. Here it's all red on the bottom. Here we have the front landing gear, rear landing gear. These landing gear do roll. We have 747-8. And it's made by Phoenix, and the hole for the stand. So that's the nice looking model. So I do recommend this for Boeing fans, especially fans of the 747. It's a very nice looking plane, and I'm very happy I received this model. It's going to be a great addition to my collection. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please stay tuned for more videos. Please comment, rate and subscribe. Take care.